Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Gradle version catalogs and plugin management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Gradle version catalogs and plugin management, begin by opening your project in your preferred integrated development environment, or IDE. Locate the build.gradle file within your project structure. Next, ensure that you have the necessary Gradle version installed that supports version catalogs, specifically Gradle 7.0 or higher. In the build.gradle file, confirm the inclusion of the plugin management block. If it's missing, add the plugin management block at the top level of your build.gradle file. Inside the plugin management block, specify the repositories you will use to fetch plugins. Common repositories include Maven Central and Gradle Plugin Portal. Next, create a new directory named Gradle at the root of your project if it does not already exist. Within the Gradle directory, create a file named settings.gradle. Open the settings.gradle file and define the version catalogs by including the catalog block. In this catalog block, define your libraries and plugins by specifying their names and versions. Ensure that you follow the proper syntax when defining each entry in the catalog. After setting up your version catalog, navigate back to the build.gradle file. Replace any existing plugin dependencies with references to your newly defined catalog entries. To verify that everything is set up correctly, open your terminal within the IDE. Run the command Gradle dependencies to check if the version catalogs are correctly recognized. If any issues arise, check your syntax in both build.gradle and settings.gradle files for potential errors. Once the setup is confirmed to be working, you're ready to manage your plugins and dependencies with version catalogs efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.